Question number 81. Speed of a man in still water is 6 km per hour and the river is running at 3 km per hour. The total time taken to go a place and come back in 8 hours. What is the distance travelled? Man in still water equal to 6 km per hour and river is running at 3 km per hour. That is speed of the stream equal to 3 km per hour. Let the distance is x. Downstream distance by downstream speed is 6 plus 3 plus upstream distance by upstream speed is 6 minus 3 equal to 8 hours. So x by 9 plus x by 3 equal to 8. 3x plus 9x by 27 equal to 8. 12x equal to 8 into 27. 4 3 times 12, 4 2 times 8. 3 1 time, 3 9 times 27. So x is equal to 18. So distance equal to 18 kilometers. Option C. Question number 82. The difference between 57% of a number and its 41% is 240. What is the number? Difference of 57% and 41% is 16%. So 16% of a number equal to 240. 16 by 100 into number equal to 240. 16 one time, 16 15 times 240. So number equal to 1500. Option C. Question number 83. The average of first 10 natural numbers is n is equal to 10, n into n plus 1 by 2. That is 10 into 11 by 2 equal to 55. Sum of first 10 natural numbers equal to 55 and average is 55 by 10 equal to 5.5. Option B. Question number 84. Present ages of A and B are 50 years and 18 years respectively. In how many years will A will be twice as old as B? A is to be equal to 2 is to 1. A will be twice as old as B. As per question, 50 plus x divided by 18 plus x equal to 2 by 1. 50 plus x equal to 36 plus 2x. So x is equal to 14 years. Option A. Question number 85. A pump can fill a tank with a water in 2 hours. Because of leak, it took 1/3 hours to fill the tank. The leak can drain all the water of the tank in 1/3 hours equal to 7/3 hours. Work done by the leak in 1 hour equal to 1/2 minus 1 by 7/3. 1/2 minus 3 by 7 equal to 1 by 14. So leak will empty the tank in 14 hours. Option C. Question number 86. Average age of 12 men increased by 2 years when one man whose age is 43 years is replaced by a new man. Find the age of the new man. Age of the new man equal to age of man replaced plus total increase. 43 plus 12 into 2. 12 men is increased by 2 years. 12 into 2. 43 plus 24. Equal to 67 years. Option D. Question number 87. A batsman in his 17th innings makes a score of 85 and thereby increasing his average by 3. What is his average after 17th innings? His score is 85 in 17th inning increased by 3 average. So 85 minus 17 into 3. 85 minus 51 equal to 34. 34 is 16th inning score. So 34 plus 3 equal to 37. It is 17th inning score, average was increased by 3. Option D. Question number 88. By selling an article at 800 rupees, a shopkeeper makes a profit of 25%. At what price should he sell the article to make a loss of 25%? Profit is 25%. So 125% selling price equal to 800 rupees. 25 5 times 125. 25 3 times. Remaining is 50. 25 2 times. 5% equal to 32. He sell the article, makes a loss of 25%. 25% loss means 75% equal to question mark. So into 15 left side and also same into 15 right side. 5 into 15 75% equal to 32 into 15 480. Option B. Question number 89. 80 is x percentage of 64. Find x is equal to. 80 equal to x percentage of 64. 80 equal to x by 100 into 64. 16 5 times, 16 4 times. 4x equal to 500. We get x is equal to 125. Option D. Question number 90. A train running at a speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? Speed equal to 60 km per hour. 60 into 5 by 18 meters per second. 6 3 times, 6 10 times. Speed equal to 50 by 3 meters per second. 60 km per hour equal to 50 by 3 meters per second. Time equal to 9 seconds. The length of the train equal to 50 by 3 into 9. 3 1 time, 3 3 times. Equal to 150 meters. Option B. I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching this video.